What is going on? Welcome back to AC Auto Carts. So today, a simple wash has escalated into something a little bit more. I thought I'd show you guys what I got going on with my double take grill. I was just giving it a bath today. There is a problem with the top chrome. I'm going to try and pull a clip from one of my early videos where I talk about this chrome kind of looking delaminated earlier this season. This grill is only 2 years old. I put it on this body last winter, so winter of 2022. And I don't live in a hot climate, so I'm not really sure why this is looking bleached out. But we'll take a peek at this. I'm gonna go ahead and I think I can buy a new one of these for like 40 bucks. Comes with a center. But before I go ahead and do that, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scuff this. We're gonna get some chrome spray paint and we'll see if that takes care of our problem. Because I can order a new one, but wouldn't that just mean in 2 years it's gonna do the same thing? So we'll take a look at that process. I'll show you how to get the grill on and off. If you do have one of these bodies, you don't have to take the whole front cowl off to get at it. So we'll go through that. Let's get going. So here's my situation. Looks great on the bottom. Top is practically coming apart. Well, the chrome is coming apart. The grill itself is fine. Nothing's broken. So you've got these 10 millimeters. There's 4 of them that hold the grill housing on. Okay. I've taken off the 10 little tiny Phillips head screws that hold the center in. So we'll put this aside. The one other problem I had with this grill is this emblem fell off. So I super glued it back on, and when I was pushing down, I went across and I came back up. So I still have a little super glue here. So whoops. So I guess this grill has kind of had a rough life, but I still like the black on the chrome. If I had bought a black body, I probably would have bought a black grill, black center, and had the whole front. But I like how this ties in with the lights on that body and kind of brings it across. So I want to keep it chrome rather than painting this black or buying a black one. Like I say, for about 45 bucks, I can buy a completely new black one that might last a little longer. But I think what we're going to do, I'm going to scuff this and we're going to try using that chrome spray paint. So I'll pick up some of that later today. And we'll get after that and we'll slap it back together. So there is access to get to the back of the grill. That's that center. The other one is here. You can see up there that's that center top. You can get it. I have the wheels off just because I was going to lube the suspension. I was going to just stick a little grease up in the fittings and stuff, tighten everything down. That's why I have the front wheels off still. We'll do that later, but we'll get after that grill. Okay, I've been out here scuffing with the gray scuff pad. So I've got it ready to roll. I got all that chrome scuffed up. And obviously it's pretty thin up here on the top, I guess. That's why it's going to black right here. But anyway, the bottom was in good shape as we saw. Top is coming right off. So what we're going to try is first I'll start with this. I picked up this flat gray primer. It says, ooh, bonds to plastic. Yeah, we'll go with that. And then we'll try this chrome. Looks goldish, but this is supposed to be the... Oh, there we go. So we'll try this. I've never really tried to use spray paint to make something look chrome, so we'll give it a shot. We'll hit it with the primer, let that dry first, and then hit it with a couple coats of that chrome. Well, it looks better, but it really didn't come out that great. And I don't like that, you've got chrome, decent looking chrome in there. This really isn't matching in here. And then as I was putting it on, my finger hit it. And I put a nice big blemish in it. So I don't know what's going to happen with that. It seems to be changing as the minutes go by. This has sat overnight. Like, I haven't put a coat of paint on this in over 24 hours. I just was putting it on. And as I was pushing the corner in, I didn't realize where my thumb was. Should have been using this, but I put that blemish in it. So I am probably going to order a new one. These are, the chrome ones are actually 70, and it looks like they've actually changed it where if you buy chrome, you get the chrome center as well. And then if you buy black, you get the black surround with the black center. So I'm probably going to order a chrome one so I can get the chrome around. Listen, black would be cool if this was a black cart, but I just feel like with the chrome headlights, I like there being a piece of chrome that goes all the way across. And listen, every other car I have is fully murdered out, so yeah. So it's 17 days later from that last clip that I gave you guys about this grill. Remember I put my thumb here? So I pulled it off, I resprayed it again, I sanded it down really, really lightly. I really soaked it with that paint, and like, it's still soft. Like, watch, I can still put my thumbprint in this stuff. So I had given up on this, and I ordered a new one. And the new one's here. I haven't taken it out of the package yet. I did have to get a chrome one, chrome center and chrome outer. I couldn't get the same way I ordered it with the body kit. I think when you order the full body, you might be able to order it in pieces, but I did call somewhere. I guess it was going to be really expensive to just get the outer piece. So whoever I was talking to at the place where I bought my double take body, just was like, yeah, just order that one. So this was about 75 bucks shipped here for the inner and outer. So I'll open this up and we're just going to put this baby on. I'm been looking at this thing for 17 days with no grill on it. So we'll let's wrap this up. New outer, zero hardware. All right, pretty. Yeah, it did not come with any hardware whatsoever. I have all the old hardware, so that's fine. I don't know. Let's double check this to see if we want to do it this way. I don't think I'm going to want to. By the way, I mean, trying to spray it chrome just is not the same. I don't know. Maybe I don't hate it like that. Don't fall now. Yeah. Let's throw the black center in. Yeah, it's going back like that. All right, let's bolt it in. Okay, so that's it, right? I should be done. Easy enough. Wait a minute. You see how that's moving? This side's even worse. Right? There's the bolt that's in there is actually spinning, and I can't tighten it anymore. So I think that little piece of hardware, for some reason, I hand threaded the nut to start them, and that is now spinning inside the grill housing. This one and this one, the two outside ones. The center one's tightened up just fine. I put these back on because it came with these little covers. So now I have a new problem. Current status. I got it to release, the little pin to release. I cannot get this one off yet. So I'm trying to get that pin to release. I guess what we'll do is if I can get them out, we'll glue those back in with some liquid cement or something and hope that they don't break free in the plastic again. Ridiculous. This is the locking nut that originally came with this body. Like, okay, granted, the grill didn't come with hardware, but this is the original 10 millimeter that came with the grill with this body. "15 minutes later, so I guess I'll glue these back in, which believe me, I'll call and whine about this to who I bought them from, but we'll glue those back in, see if those will reset, and then I won't use a lock nut on the next one. We'll find some different hardware to use. So there's the old one. So again, I'll glue this in, push it in. I guess, like I say, use some different hardware. This really shouldn't have been this hard. This was supposed to be a 15-minute deal, if that. Turn into an hour here. And I guess this one. Naturally, they're two different sizes, of course. All right, so after some searching, I found two that actually slide down nice. I have a bunch of these here in this kit, same size, but I don't really want to use them because I'm going to have the same problem. So the other problem, right, this spins down nice and free, would have been able to snug that within about 1 second. Here's that stud. There's a bunch of crap in the threads, which is what probably caused this problem. So even this one that slides real nice, like, it's getting stuck. So then it started spinning. So I'm going to clean the grooves of this until these go through the threads nice and smooth. We'll glue them back in, wait for it to dry, and then try this again. What a ridiculous. All right, well, my hour-long Grill Fiasco install is over. And now it's done. We'll see how long it lasts. Those bolts I found screwed in just fine. They're pretty much hand tight. I didn't go crazy with a tool or anything like that to snug them down. Hopefully they hold with all the bouncing. If there's an update, I'll let y'all know. Otherwise, thanks for watching. This was supposed to be simple. Didn't turn out that way. Such is life. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one.